the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, I'm with ADT Security. I just wanted to stop by, let you guys know there's been some break-ins in the neighborhood. I'll leave a pamphlet on the side of the house, and just give us a call if you guys are interested in any type of home security.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Hello? 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 Citizen, anyone? Hello, please open the door. Hello? Hello? I don't want to. I'm so scared.
What's up, bud?
How much? What are we doing?
Just dropping this off here.
Are we dumping stuff?
No, just dropping it off.
Okay, well, we're on camera. So, all right. I'll get your license plate number. 3019. All right, thank you.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Can you hear me? I'd like to leave a message. Hello. Sorry to bother you. I'm not trying to rob you. Is there any way I can get a cup of water or a glass of water, please? Sorry to...
Come back in a little while.
I can't. There's somebody trying to...
Get out my porch.
Okay, I will.
Get out my porch.
Thank you, sir. I will.
You're not gonna do them come out and shoot you. I mean, you that junk ass shit. You think I'm your fuck ass.
Cheers.
Get away from my door. Doors.
Need help?
Because if she lies, I don't, okay? I swear to God. Yeah, and you get that cut. Because you're cut from here to there, okay? Like this, okay. And then just this. There, honey. And it's not water yet. You don't drink water. Ever. Right? Okay. What you need is this. You need that. See, better not it. Honey.
Stop sleeping, Katrina! No! I'll burn you all! Santa!
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm homeless and I just got beat up by another homeless guy. I just really need some help, guys. I'm about 5 blocks from my house and I have no idea where I'm at. I think I have a concussion. Please help me. What fucking clothes is on now? That's bullshit, man.
I got a problem with rehab. That's not rehabilitation. That's killing me, too. You ain't got bad, bitch. I'm Hitler. Ha! I'm Hitler. I don't know who Hitler is. I'm so sorry about Hitler. Next time Hitler, I got it. I don't fucking know. I don't know. You can have songs if you want, but please don't shoot me for this. Please don't give me that. I didn't know what the hell was going on. We need a plastic. Metal, me too. I need just wish that berry. Please wish a berry. Just a berry from my tree with a bird. I really don't want to go to that, baby. But I need this. I know.
Seriously?
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.